Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Soirekim, and today I'm going to be repairing my daughter's Xbox 360 joystick. My wife ordered it in the mail, and when it came in, the right button was not working. So let's take a look and see what's going on. This is a generic joystick, so it doesn't have security bits. We'll just use a standard Phillips. I know I said standard, but what I'm referring to is it's not a security bit. It's just a standard screwdriver bit, although if I'm not mistaken, standard means flat and Phillips means star. Oh no. Oh, it's not even plugged in, it's just soldered in place, huh? Alright, so as we can see here, the button is all wobbly. This button clicks. This button just wobbles side to side. Doesn't click. So I gotta replace that. Fortunately, I do have a replacement set of Xbox 360 buttons for left and right. And they're actually the same button. So it's two of the identical buttons. We're just gonna replace one of them. Alright, so now we gotta clean the grit and junk out of the holes. Dang it, not fast enough. So it should sit flush in there. All I gotta do now is solder it. Solder it. Oh hell no, look. This is why I would prefer to be able to unplug it. Now, fix this piece. You guys can see this. Let's see, is it strong enough to connect to the Xbox up here like my son's and like mine? Yep, it's connected. So now I need to determine, does that button work? So let's finish putting the screws on. Alright, so let's check and see if it works. Left button, right button. Awesome. Well, ladies and gentlemen, if you like this video, please subscribe, hit that like button, and share. Catch you later.